This is my review of the Jarrow Ashwagandha capsules here. You get 120 capsules here, 300 milligrams each one. This is what the capsules look like right here. Very small capsules, really easy to take. These are very easy to swallow, no issues with them at all. I typically take one of these in the morning, and it just got a really great benefits. This is a really great brand here. Occasionally, you might want to take one of these in the afternoon as well, but the serving size is one capsule, and you're at the 300 milligrams here. So I've been using this brand for a long time for ashwagandha. I did try some gummies before, gummy ashwagandha ones, but I just moved back to these. Jarrow is a great brand, third-party tested, tons of reviews online. It's got the KSM 66 ashwagandha. That's what I like about this one, but these things work really great. I'm very pleased with them. Again, repeat buyer of this brand. Just does a really phenomenal job. So if you're looking for an ashwagandha supplement, I would definitely check these out. Again, 120 capsules here, really great item.